not so country. Crackers, golden shower, golden shower, you know, Koma. Purchase almond of Lord Krishna, feasting, meeting friends and relatives. Oh, fantastic! This is a ritual. It's a great occasion in Kerala, and here prevails an air of celebration everywhere. This is Ramu. Fantastic guy, isn't it? For Ramu too, Vishu is a fantastic occasion to enjoy himself. It is a great occasion to celebrate. Now I will tell you an awesome story, a must-read story. Till now, I will, Ramu comes home drunk and breaks some crockery almost every day. Vomits like that. Falls down on the floor. His, wife, congregation, it's an adjective, okay? Wife pulls him up and cleans his room. Will you do that? I don't know how many of you do that. But your husband won't do this, isn't it? That's it. Next day, when he gets up, he expects her to be really angry with him. Okay? On Vishu, he has repeated it. He prays that they should not have any fight. They should not have any fight. There should not have any fight. He looked for her and she was not to be found anywhere near, because he has done all these things in the previous night. She searched for her. He finds a note near the table. A note. Okay, near the table. The note to read. Honey, often you wives address your husband and says, honey, your favorite breakfast is ready on the table. I had to leave early to buy grocery because you broken the whole grocery yesterday. I'll come running back to you, my love. Oh, what happened? He gets surprised and asks his daughter, what happened yesterday? Was I not behaving well? What happened last night? Nalini is his daughter's name. Nalini replied, when mom pulled you to the bed and tried removing your slippers and shirt, because he cannot. In the end of the day, he cannot remove his slippers. Okay, so she removes it. While she was removing the shirt and slippers and everything, you were dead drunk. Nalini was telling his father, you said, hey lady, leave me alone. I'm married. Okay? He was putting on the shirt, shoes and everything. And that's why she has forgiven everything. Okay? She has forgiven everything and went to buy the crockery. This is what. So what you have to do is never work, enjoy your, never learn anything. Never learn to make a presentation better than what you can do it today. No, never. Enjoy your life instead. Okay? How you and your wife might have behaved in similar situations. Think about this one. If you are married, if you go home drunk, or if you are married to a male, if he comes drunk, what will you do? Think about this and find out a solution in your mind. So, this is getting on. If you are not finding out any solution, read the story again. Okay? Thank you. I'm taking too much time of yours. I'm sorry if I bored you, but I had no other way to deliver this. I just delivered in one person. This is how we make the presentation better. Ingredients must be stories, narration, not this lengthy. There must be videos, not this lengthy. There must be slides, comprehensive slides, but not this long. This is what you have to do. So all mistakes which I committed here must be avoided, so that your presentation will be much better. Hope I have done the purpose. I've served my presentation served the purpose. If not, you give me a suggestion directly at my face, or write a piece of paper without your name and give it to me. Okay? Anything else you want to tell me? Except for the fact that it should not be this long. Anything else? I know it should not be this long. That too in the evening sessions. Okay? Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you.